I'm Meghna Menon. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today we're doing another haul video. Yay! Today we're doing a Romwe haul. Romwe, however you like to pronounce it. It is a sister company of Shein because most of the products are similar and few of them came with the Shein tags. So it's quite possible that they are almost the same company. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the video because I have a huge haul. So yep, so let's start off with the clothes category. I did not order a lot of clothes. I just ordered few basics. So without delay, let's do that. The first one is this. This was a pair of leggings which was on the flash sale, and these are velvet legging and they have this white piping in the side, and they are really comfortable. If you plan on ordering this, I would say you to go a size up because they were quite small in size, but they fit me anyways. I'll be giving the links to all of these products in my description, so don't forget to check that out. The next one is this breezy summer dress. Like you can see, it is a camisole kind of dress with this yellow floral pattern, and it is quite see-through, and it comes with this attachable strap, so that's good. You can make it tight or loose. If you would say me, I would wear this with a belt or with a white t-shirt inside, but this is quite summer appropriate. The next one is again a yellow dress, but this is a bodycon dress with this plaid pattern. It is quite in trend. If you must have seen, a lot of people are wearing this kind of design. It was actually inspired from the old 90s movie. I'm not remembering the movie's name, but yeah, and I'm quite excited to wear this because it looks super stunning. The next, since it's summer and there are a lot of vacays in plan, so I got this bralette, and it is basically a set of two bralettes. It has this lower lace detailing, which is safe and good because it covers more area than a normal bra, and bralettes are like so much in trend right now. You can literally wear them under anything and everything, so that's awesome. Next is this tie-dye print kimono. It is basically of a mesh material and it is super huge like a kimono is supposed to be, and it has all these vibrant summer colors, so this would look really amazing on top of a bralette or a crop top with shorts. You will completely look summer appropriate and vacation appropriate. Now that's all I had for clothes, so let's move on to the accessory section. So let's start out with this chain that I managed to untangle a bit. So it is a layered chain in gold, and it has this moon and a stud in between with this choker kind of material, and it look really nice on deep neck tops and stuff. The next is this pretty looking anklet, and like I mentioned, some of them came with the Shein tag, so this is one of them. This has an elephant and a sun, and I love elephants, so this is super cute. This is another chain, kind of like a layered chain, and this has a tiny heart in between. Okay. Next were these rings. These are adjustable rings, and they look really pretty, but I will have to tell that they have lost their color, and it's not even been 2 weeks. No, it's not even been a week since I've purchased this, and it's already become like blackish, so I would say to skip this if you were planning on buying these because not worth it. The next is a set of these rings, and this is how they came, and this is how they look on the finger. They are really pretty and give you very boho vibes, and the black one is really like a stunning piece. It could also be a statement piece. Next is this chain, which has come like this, and I did not have the patience to untangle it. Oh look, it's basically a ball and a stone, and oops, and these are also a layered chain, so they will look really nice on like boho clothes or deep neck or white clothes. When you add these elements into your dressing, they make you look like you've put so much effort into your dressing, whereas you haven't actually. So these should definitely be in your wish list. The next is this was one of my favorites, and I'm planning to steal it from my friend. It has a moon and two of these stars, and they look so adorable. So the last pair of accessories are these rings, and they came in the Shein packaging as well. These are gold rings and they are non-adjustable rings, so you might want to make sure that you know your finger size before you order them. The last accessory I have is this amazing looking belt, and I was totally in love with this. This will look so good. It has this circular buckle. It looks so good if you tie them up with even your dresses or with your jeans with a crop top. This is again another basic piece, but which could enhance your outfit. So yeah, these are tattoo. They are temporary tattoos. So basically you peel this off, put it on whichever body part you want to put, and then put water on top of it, and I think that's how it will work, like a normal temporary tattoo. I've not tried it yet, but I'm super excited, and if I do try it, I will insert a clip next. So I got 3 of these in different designs. So one is this sort of like a dream catcher thingy. Other is it came in this really good packaging. So basically this is it's almost like a booklet of these two different pamphlets of stickers. They have lots of diamonds on this, and then they have like this elephant, which my friend thinks is a Ganesha, and this cat and few more diamonds. So that's that. I have another one, which is this. This is called as henna tattoo. I mean, it's not henna, but it's named as henna because these are the prints you put when you do a henna tattoo. So these will look really good if you plan on wearing like shorts or sleeveless tops, and you get one of these. They will look very boho chic. So that's that. And this one is my favorite. So this is a wolf, and I totally love this, and I'm so excited to try this out. So yeah, those were the tattoos that I had ordered. Temporary tattoos I had ordered from Romway. Is tools or whatever, but they are these. They are eyelashes, fake eyelashes. I have never tried fake eyelashes, and I'm very curious to know what they would look like. So I have these. They are of, I think, one use because you get so many of them. So you put in glue. You do not get them with glue. You will have to buy the glue. I dropped it. You will have to buy the glue separately, but yeah, that's that. If you want to know what they look like, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, where I'll be posting pictures with them. So that's that. Hashtag shameless promo. The next is this. This is a headband, and this is so cute. I'm so wait. Should I? Okay, that was a bad idea, but that is the hairband, and it is of this cloth material, and it's really good material. So yeah. The next is this glasses that I got. They came with their own box, and the box says Shein though, but it came with its own box and amazing packaging. The packaging is totally luxurious. So yeah, and these are the glasses. The next is this makeup brush. It is basically a fan brush for highlight, and I haven't opened it because I'm pretty sure I'm going to spoil it. Eyelash color. I seen a funny meme on Instagram where a guy told this was a potato peeler. So I'm like, basically I understand why he said that, because this does look quite scary. It looks like some mass destruction weapon, but this is an eyelash color. The last thing is to satisfy the needs of all you unicorn lovers. It is this big ass hairbrush with this beautiful print with a unicorn behind, and here is a review for you guys. Can I do a Pantene ad? Oops. We shall delete that. So basically this is the brush, and I don't think it's very travel friendly because it's huge, but my friend bought it for traveling, so I don't understand what she was thinking. But the next thing is this funny looking thing. It is basically a mask with this, oh sorry, it's basically a mask with this steady mouth print. The second last thing is this. So basically this is tape, but the fancy thing about this is it is radium tape, so it glows in the night, and I have tried it. It really works. You guys can see a clip of this under the light, and then it starts glowing, and It's magical and I totally love this. I wish I had bought a larger quantity, but anyways. So kind of the last thing and not the last thing is this. So this is basically wallpaper, and I had ordered two different kinds of wallpaper just to see which one's better. So this is the first one. Well, I'll show you a picture of how it was supposed to look. Yeah, I know, kind of trolled. This looks very paperish and very unprofessional. It looks drawn. It does not look like a wood effect or something, but it is super long, so I could stick it in some place which I don't really care much about. So that's that. And the second one I bought was this. Now this, on the other hand, is really nice quality. Like, it's kind of like a 2D, like you can feel this, and it is of good quality. It looks like white bricks, and I'm okay with the way it looks. Okay, from the looks of it, looks like we are done with our Romwe haul, and this was quite a huge haul. I hope you guys liked it. That's all for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, bye bye, take care.